Hi, I'm Stephanie from stephanieknaturals.com. I'm going to show you perfume making supplies. Now, when you are starting to make perfumes, you may not need anything more than some vials and some droppers. But as you get into it, you're going to want to have some larger amounts. So you'll want to have, in addition, some measurement tools such as these. And you'll always want to start with a clean dropper for each scent that you're working with. So you want to have a lot of these on hand. I buy them in bulk. They're real cheap, so don't worry about it. They're just little plastic droppers that are measured in milliliters, and this will help you in your blending. You're going to need loads and loads of little bottles to be experimenting with. And then also you're going to need separate bottles to bottle your perfumes in. So you're going to wind up having lots and lots of bottles. And if you really get into making perfume and you have larger quantities, you'll wind up making perfumes in larger bottles such as this. So start small and then work into larger batches. You'll get some larger bottles. And these are some of the supplies that you will need when you are making perfumes.